How to add a link in GoDaddy website builder. Want to direct visitor to another page, a social media profile, or an external website? Adding a link in a GoDaddy website builder is quick and easy. And here's how you can do it. So first thing first, go to www.godaddy.com and log into your account and navigate to the dashboard, and you will see this type of interface on your screen. After you're in the dashboard, search for the website, which is your third option. Tap on it. Now scroll down and go to edit website, which you can find it over here. Simply tap on it. Now we are in the edit site section. Now navigate to the section where you want to insert the link. This could be in a text, an image, or a button. Let's explore where we want to add it. Okay, for example, to add a link to the text, highlight the words you want to hyperlink. For example, let's say I want to add a link to this one. Now we can see an option for link over here. Simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see an option called link to, and there's an option for the pages, website URL, phone, email, or the products. Let's say I want to keep it with a website URL. Simply choose website URL or where you want the link to be directed to. So most of the time we use this link for the website URL. However, you can use other options too. And after choosing link to, simply tap on this website URL and paste your website URL over here. And when you are done, simply tap on OK. Let's copy this one. Let me show you. Proceed. And let's paste it over here. Then tap on OK. So now it's added. Now what about the buttons? For the buttons, select the button you want to edit or add a new one. Let's say I want to add a link to this button. Simply click on that. That will open up you a setting section on your right corner. You can see it over here, and here you can see an option called link to. If you tap on the drop down over here, you can see several options there. For example, you may link it to the page, website URL, phone, email, or products. And once you select one of them, tap on done, which is over here. And same goes for the images. If you want to add a link to this image, simply select it, and you can see this type of interface over here. And if you scroll down, you can see an option for add a link over here. Simply open it up. And again, that will open up you an option for link to section where you can add the page or the site that you want your visitor to be directed. So that was an whole idea. Let me show if it works or not. Let's publish it. Okay, let's view the site again. We had added a link in this section. Simply tap on it, and that will take you to this section. So this is how it works, and this is how you can add a link in GoDaddy website builder. That's it. Now your website visitor can easily navigate where you want them to go. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and keep building and stay creative.